The XRP market is on the edge of something huge. XRP ETF and regulation dates have been confirmed, and this could be the beginning of major changes for Ripple and its token. After months of waiting, Ripple and XRP holders now have official confirmation on dates that could shape the future of XRP in ways that many never thought possible. These announcements set the stage for a new era in the cryptocurrency world, and if you hold XRP, you won't want to miss out on what's about to happen. This could be the start of a major turning point for XRP as it gains institutional attention and regulatory clarity becomes a reality. If everything unfolds as expected, we might be closer than ever to seeing XRP truly hit the mainstream. So what do these confirmations mean for XRP holders, and how could these updates lead to huge market shifts? Stick around as we dive into what this news could mean and why it matters so much right now. The news about XRP ETF and regulation dates is a big deal, but what exactly do these updates mean? Let's start with the XRP ETF. If you're wondering, an ETF, exchange-traded fund, is an investment fund that is traded on stock exchanges, much like regular stock. It holds assets like stocks, commodities, or in this case, cryptocurrencies like XRP. The XRP ETF would allow investors to buy shares in the ETF without needing to directly purchase or hold XRP themselves. So why does this matter for XRP? Well, the introduction of an XRP ETF would make it easier for traditional investors and institutions to get involved with XRP without worrying about the complexities of crypto wallets and exchanges. This could bring in more liquidity, expand XRP's investor base, and most importantly, give XRP greater exposure to the mainstream financial market. For XRP holders, this is great news. As more institutional money flows into the XRP ETF, the increased demand for XRP could boost its price and lead to more stability in its market. Additionally, the accessibility provided by an ETF could make XRP more attractive to those who prefer traditional stock market investments over buying and holding cryptocurrencies. This isn't just about buying XRP, it's about opening the door to a much larger pool of investors, and the impact could be huge. But the XRP ETF is just one piece of the puzzle. What about the regulation dates? The confirmation of official regulation dates is just as important because clear regulations are key to XRP's future growth. It means that the legal landscape for XRP is becoming clearer, which will encourage more mainstream adoption by both financial institutions and investors. Now that these dates are set, the market will have a clearer understanding of XRP's legal status, making it easier for banks and corporations to integrate it into their payment system. This means that XRP could see widespread adoption in the financial sector, which is key to its long-term success. The confirmation of these dates adds a layer of confidence that XRP holders have been waiting for, and it's a crucial step in XRP's journey to becoming a more accepted digital asset in the global economy. Now that we know what the XRP ETF and regulation dates mean, let's take a closer look at how these developments will impact XRP's future. The XRP ETF is expected to open the floodgates for institutional investors, which could create massive price movements. This could be the catalyst that pumps XRP's value, as it will provide a more mainstream route for those investors who have been hesitant to enter the market due to the complexity of holding and trading cryptocurrencies directly. Once the XRP ETF is launched, liquidity will likely increase, and as large institutional players start getting involved, XRP's market depth will improve. This would make XRP more attractive and stable, especially in the eyes of financial institutions looking for secure digital assets to support cross-border payments. This is where XRP's real utility shines: cross-border payments. As more investors gain exposure to XRP, the demand for the token could skyrocket, driving the price upward. At the same time, the regulation confirmation adds another level of security for XRP's future. With clear and defined regulations, XRP will have a more predictable legal status, which will boost investor confidence. Financial institutions and governments have been cautious about integrating cryptocurrencies into their systems because of the regulatory gray area. But with clear regulations in place, XRP will be able to expand and integrate more seamlessly into the global financial system, especially for banks and payment providers that are looking for a fast, efficient solution for international transactions. The clear regulatory framework will also help remove some of the uncertainties surrounding XRP's future. Once regulations are defined, XRP could see a rush of partnerships with major players in the banking and finance industries, which could further solidify its role as a bridge currency for cross-border transactions. The more partnerships Ripple secures, the higher the demand for XRP will grow, driving its value up in the process. With all of these developments in motion, XRP holders have a lot to be excited about. But will this price surge be as immediate as some expect? Let's explore how the market might respond to these announcements and what investors can expect in terms of short-term and long-term price movements. With the XRP ETF and regulatory dates confirmed, it's clear that XRP could experience significant price movements in both the short term and the long term. The real question now is, how soon could XRP's price surge and how high could it go? In the short term, we're likely to see immediate reactions from the market once the ETF goes live and as the regulatory clarity begins to settle in. Once institutional investors can access XRP more easily through the ETF, we could see a sharp uptick in demand. This surge in demand, especially from large players, could result in a quick price increase, similar to what happened when major cryptocurrencies started gaining institutional interest. As XRP enters a new stage of institutional adoption, and as Ripple's partnerships continue to expand, the flood of liquidity coming into the market could push XRP's price higher. Many analysts are predicting that XRP could see its price move upward toward new resistance levels. Some are even speculating that XRP's price could reach new all-time highs as institutional investors continue to accumulate the asset. Looking at long-term potential, the confirmation of clear regulations will be the key to XRP's growth over the next few years. As Ripple secures more partnerships with global banks, payment providers, and even governments, the use of XRP for cross-border payments will likely increase dramatically. This growing use case could lead to long-term demand for XRP, and as more institutions adopt it, we might see XRP's price gradually climb, potentially surpassing even the $10 mark and beyond. While short-term volatility is always a factor in the crypto space, the long-term prospects for XRP look stronger than ever. With clear regulation, more institutional involvement, and Ripple's expanding network of partnerships, XRP's utility is set to become more ingrained in the financial system. This could lead to steady and sustainable price growth for years to come. However, it's important to remember that even with such strong fundamentals, XRP's journey is not without risks. The market can be unpredictable, and external factors like global economic conditions or new regulatory hurdles could still have an impact. So while we are optimistic about XRP's future, investors should always stay informed and prepared for any unexpected development. With all of these exciting updates on the horizon, what should XRP holders do now? Let's take a look at what XRP investors should watch for in the coming months to stay ahead of the curve. As an XRP holder, there are several key things you should be watching for in the coming months to stay ahead of the curve and make informed decisions. With the XRP ETF and regulatory dates confirmed, it's clear that XRP is entering a new phase, but there are a few important developments to keep an eye on to maximize your investment. First, watch for updates on the XRP ETF. Once the ETF officially launches, institutional investors will be able to buy into XRP more easily, potentially leading to a surge in demand. Keep an eye on market reactions and XRP's price movements as the ETF starts to gain traction. If demand increases rapidly, we could see a significant price rise. Tracking institutional interest and how quickly the ETF gains momentum will be critical